Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce manual tasks with Zapier, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by introducing yourself and the topic of the tutorial. First, navigate to the Zapier website. If you don't have an account, sign up for a free trial. Once logged in, explore the dashboard. To create your first automation, click on the Make a Zap button. Start by choosing a trigger app. Select an app that you frequently use for manual tasks. Next, choose a specific event from that app that will initiate the automation. Follow the prompts to connect your account to Zapier. After connecting your account, configure the trigger settings as needed. Test the trigger to ensure it's working correctly. Once the trigger is set up, move on to the action step. Choose the app where you want the data to go. Pick a specific action that should occur after the trigger. Connect the action app to your Zapier account. Customize the action settings to fit your needs. Test the action to confirm it works as intended. If everything is set up correctly, name your Zap. Turn on your Zap to start automating the tasks. Monitor the task performance from your dashboard. Make adjustments to your Zap as needed for better efficiency. Consider creating additional Zaps for other repetitive tasks. Take advantage of multi-step Zaps for more complex workflows. Explore the templates available in Zapier for inspiration. Regularly review your automations to keep them optimized. By implementing these steps, you can significantly reduce manual tasks with Zapier. Enjoy the newfound efficiency in your workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.